Everyone, so I am Altelrin Belaro from Batch 4. So yung topic po natin today in September 6, ano ang Seraphim or Seraphim. At ang scripture po natin today ay matatagpuan sa Isaiah chapter 6 verse 1 to 3. So, syempre po basahin po muna natin yung konsepto ng Seraphim. So, Seraphim are a special order of angels described as fiery beings who surround God's throne, constantly worshiping Him in holiness and awe. The name means burning ones, symbolizing their purity and passion for God's glory. They serve as a heavenly model of perfect worship, inspiring believers to revere God, pursue holiness, and deeper their devotion to Him. So, dito po, ibig sabihin daw po ng Seraphim, iyan daw po yung special order of angels na nagde-describe as very being who surrounds by God's throne, which is yun daw po yung mga angels na nakapalibot sa kaharian ng Panginoon, or like kunyari for example na may isang upuan ng panghari, nakapalibot dun yung mga angels at sila yung nag-represent upang sila ay sabi nga dito, they serve as heavenly model of perfect worship. Kumbaga sa kanila nagmumula kung ano ba ang dapat o tamang pag-worship sa ating Panginoon, dahil dito nakasad dapat perfect and inspiring believers to revere God, pursue holiness, and deepen their devotion to Him. So, ibig sabihin lang po na dapat kung paano nila worship ang ating Panginoong Diyos, ay ganoon din dapat natin wini-worship ang ating Lord, dahil yun nga daw po yung tamang pag-worship at doon mas matutuwa ang ating Panginoon Diyos. Ang sabi sa teaching, Seraphim are mighty beings devoted to God. Seraphim reflect the glory of God, and Seraphim reminds us of how privileged we are. Kaya naman sabi dito, gawin nating ehemplo yung bagay na yun, nang sa ganun ay mas lalo tayong lumago sa ating Panginoon. Alam natin yung mga bagay na mas motivate pa sa atin mag-worship sa Lord. At ano ba yung magiging benefit nito sa atin? Like for example, benefit na mas lalong lalalim yung relasyon natin sa Panginoon, mas lalong titibay, at mas lalong magkakaroon tayo ng connection sa ating Panginoong Diyos. So that's all everyone. Thank you so much for listening, and have a great day ahead for tomorrow. Bye bye for now.